Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.